Have you ever been in a quiet place and suddenly your stomach starts making loud noises? Don't worry, it's not embarrassing. It's science. That sound is called borborygmy. It happens when your stomach muscles contract and push food, gas, and liquids around. When your stomach is empty, there's nothing to muffle the sound. So the movements become louder. That's why it's most noticeable when you're hungry. Your brain also sends signals to your stomach when it's time to eat. These signals increase movement, which can make the growling even stronger. So stomach noises aren't a problem, they're actually a healthy sign that your digestive system is working. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Dailyspark educational videos.